Here we have a problem on ratio. Okay, let's go with the information. The ratio component of duplicate ratio of 4 to 5, the triplicate ratio of 1 to 3, sub-duplicate ratio of 81 to 256, sub-triplicate ratio of 125 to 512. So we have to find the ratio component of the given four ratios. Okay, first let me get the duplicate ratio of this 4 to 5. Whenever I want to get duplicate ratio, what I have to do is I have to square both the terms of the ratio. Then I'm getting 4 square to 5 square. So this is a duplicate ratio of 4 to 5. Now let's get the triplicate ratio for 1 to 3. So for that we have to raise both the terms of the ratio to the power of 3. Then I'm getting 1 to the third power, 3 to the third power. So this is a triplicate ratio of 1 to 3. And now let me get the sub-duplicate ratio of 81 to 256. If I want to get sub-duplicate ratio, what I have to do is I have to take square root for both the terms. Then I'm getting square root of 81 to square root of 256. Now to get the sub-triplicate ratio of this one, what I have to do is I have to take a cube root for both the terms, that is cube root of 125 to cube root of 512. Okay, now let's evaluate each ratio. So 4 square is 16 and the 5 square is 25. And now when I evaluate this one, I'm getting 1 to 27 because the evaluation of 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27. Square root of 81 is 9 and square root of 256 is 16, that is 9 to 16. Cube root of 125 is just 5 and cube root of 112 is 8. Okay, now what we have to do is I have to find the ratio component of these four ratios. Okay, now to get the ratio component of these four ratios, first what I have to do is I have to multiply the first terms of all the four ratios. Then I'm getting 16 times 1 times 9 times 5. Now I have to multiply the second terms of all the four ratios and I have to write the product in denominator so that I can do simplification easily. So let me multiply the second terms, 25 times 27 times 16 times 8. Okay, now we can do some simplification over here. This 16 goes into 16 one time, 16 goes into 16 here one times, and 9 goes into 9 one times, 9 goes into 27 three times, 5 goes into 5 one times, 5 goes into 25 5 times. Okay, that's all the simplification we can do. Now we can multiply the numbers in numerator. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is, still we get 1 in numerator. Now let's multiply the numbers we have in denominator. 5 times 3 is 15, 15 times 1 is 15, 15 times 8 is 120. Okay, now we can write this fraction as a ratio. Then I'm getting 1 to 120. So the ratio component of the given four ratios is 1 to 120. We find this ratio 1 to 120 in answer choice C. So the correct answer choice for this question is C.